Okay, now we're back.
We're back.
We've been through Nina's tirade, and now we're going to take...
Wait, I just want to make sure I'm all the, it's catharsis?
Cathartic. It's okay. Okay, it's cathartic.
Okay.
She's got it out.
Cathartic.
Let me just say now, before we whip every woman in America into a frenzy over giving birth, most of you are going to give birth in a hospital because you choose to. A few of you are going to give birth in a taxi or a lobby because you will.
It just so happens.
Some of you will choose to give birth at home. Do your homework, plan ahead. Babies come out. Yes, there is pain, but remarkably, the pain goes away
And you'll
moments
forget
after.
about it. And you'll forget about it.
The first time is a shock to the system.
Moments after? I don't
All right,
agree
maybe
with
not
you.
the first time. Oh, I
Couple
did
of
this.
days.
No. After the
I had
second one,
afterbirth contractions for
Nah, I had
3-4
none of
days
that.
after the... You never had afterbirth contractions?
the first one was a shock to my
God.
system. I didn't think I'd ever get out of bed again. And I really had no urge to ever pee again.
Yeah.
And let's not even go into like
To the
bowel
BM,
movements.
BM
Right.
things, yeah.
However,
That's scary. Yeah, you
are
worry about
going
that.
to give birth.
Yeah.
Most hospitals, responsible hospitals, won't let you out until they see you're in reasonable working order,
Clean
that the
bill of
baby
health.
can eat, nurse, or feed
Yeah.
properly.
Plus
So
administer-
let's
yeah.
not panic.
Okay.
They
listen.
gave birth 4,000 years ago
And
in
remember,
the desert.
And back then, they had no meds, they had no epidurals, they had no Percocets afterwards to cope with the pain of afterbirth. They had none of these things. So they had
Cats
to do this
didn't
all.
have therapists. Okay,
Yeah,
it was a
so
different time.
we didn't have
You were
nurses.
going to give birth.
Yeah.
Stay calm.
Yeah, cut it.
Stay calm.
You got it.
It's coming out.
Okay. All right. So
now on to
anxiety.
it. Anxiety.
Yes.
Maria says she's been having panic attacks. Mostly,
Oh, my.
they last a half an hour and they
Woo.
happen in the middle of the night. They wake her.
Oh,
That
poor
sucks.
thing.
Okay. Afterwards, she's drained. At the same time, it takes her a long time to calm down and
Yeah.
get back to sleep.
Yeah.
So what she's doing is she goes to her daughter's room and watches her sleep or cuddles up next to her.
Okay, that's nice.
Good.
That's
I like
sweet.
it.
Uh-huh.
She also wakes her husband up.
Oh,
to
nice
talk to
husband.
her. Oh, yeah, I can imagine my husband
wouldn't
getting
like
up
that.
to talk.
Oh no. Put
Could
the
we
TV
talk
on.
for a minute?
So my husband doesn't wake up so easily. If a big brass band could come into the bedroom and set up shop in there and play, and he wouldn't hear a thing. So
My husband would, but somehow
No,
I don't think
wouldn't talk to you
he's
3
not
o'clock in the
Mr.
morning.
Talky Talky.
Not the
He's not
chatty
Mr.
type.
Talky Talky in the
not
middle
the
of the
chatty
day.
type. Yeah, imagine
Just looks
at night.
at me
Yeah.
like, I've grown an extra head and proceeds
Yeah.
around me. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's good. Her husband talks to her and she cuddles with her daughter. Actually, I went into labor while lying in bed with one of my other children because just walking around.
Yeah.
And then I thought, oh, they look so cute. I'll cuddle with him.
Aw.
And then that's when my labor started. So, all
Okay,
right.
good.
All right, there you go.
Okay, good. I went into labor because my best friend took me out shopping. She drove home like a maniac in New York. We live in New York. And she got me so nervous because she was taking the turns like this, and I kept whipping back and forth, like a toy doll. And instantly, I got home. I got the cramps going on, the contractions. I said, that's it. Thanks to my friend Sherry.
That's why some people give birth in taxi. Always
Yeah.
try to get a taxi driver with the name you
Clean.
like, though, because if you
Clean.
choose to name him, therefore, after the taxi driver, get a
Juan.
name you can live with.
Or something, yeah.
So
Jose.
before you get into the taxi, say, I'll need to know your name, or you'll have to sign a release saying, we do not have to name the baby after you because it came
But
in your
generally
cab.
speaking, the first babies don't come so quickly, so...
Mine did.
Oh, mine 30,
Mine all
30
came quickly.
hours.
30 hours? I had 3
first
hours.
baby.
See?
30 hours.
Opposite ends of the spectrum.
30 hours with a lovely doctor.
Don't assume
Shall I
the
talk
worst
about the
things are
doctor
going to
again?
happen to you. Don't assume it.
Shall I mention my doctor again?
No, because
I still
we're
have
gonna get
pent-up rage,
sued.
Ken. I gotta get it out. Okay,
We're
fine.
going to get
We'll be
sued.
fine. We'll be fine.
Okay,
Okay.
don't assume the worst things are going to happen to you. Most people are going to fall somewhere in the middle of
Yeah.
very easy delivery
Everyone's
walk
different.
and
Very
very
different.
difficult delivery.
Very
Nina.
different. Hence, this is why I decided to do the inducing later on. Because it takes so long when I naturally give birth.
Why
that when
let
I did the
nature take its
Pitocin,
course
We had a
when
baby
you
in
can
3
get a
hours.
drug?
Yeah, 3 hours. We had ourselves a baby. There you go. So anyway. Okay, we'll be right back in a moment.